Hey, good morning. I'm Susan. I'm going to walk you through this problem. It's a pretty straightforward problem, but sometimes formulas can be a little complicated. So it says, consider Heron's formula. If the three sides of a triangle have lengths A, B, and C, then the area of the triangle is given by A equals, and then it has this formula. So I put this formula over here to the right, and that's not part of it, but there's this square root symbol, kind of cuts it off because sometimes computers write it that way. And so I'm going to make it long there. So that is the formula. And that tells us the area of a triangle without having to know the base and the height, which is pretty cool. We just need to know the three sides. The side lengths are A, B, and C. But we also need to know this letter, this number that is S. And S is the semiperimeter, halfway around the triangle. And you can see there's another formula right here that tells us how to find S. And S is half of A, B, and plus B plus C. So the first question says, first find the semiperimeter. So we're first going to find S. And S is going to equal 1/2, that's the formula. And then there's these parentheses, and it says A plus B plus C, and those are the side lengths. So they're very nice, and they tell us the side lengths. A is 12, B is 16, and C is 20. So I'm just going to put those in, 12 plus 16 plus 20. And I'm going to find S. So I just put those numbers in. I don't know the S, that's the one I'm trying to find, and the order of operation says do what's in parentheses, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and that's 12 plus 16 plus 20. You can do that on your calculator, but it's 1/2 times 48, and it's times because when there's no symbol, there's a kind of hidden dot there. So the S, 1/2 of 48 is 24, so that's S. S is 24. So that's the answer to part A. Yay. Okay, so S is 24. And then it says, okay, S is 24, so use the Heron's formula to find the area. So now we're going to do the area of a triangle, but we're not going to use base and height. We're going to use this semiperimeter and the side lengths. So very cool. I'll switch colors here so it matches. So we're going to take the square root of, this is part B now. Actually, I'll go ahead and put this down below so it's a little less confusing. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this down here. And area is equal to new area formula for triangle, the square root of S, and there it is, 24. So I'm going to put that in the formula. That's the S. And then parenthesis S again, minus A. A is the side length, so 12. And times, that's the times again, 24 minus the second side length, which is 16. And then one more time, S, that's still 24, minus third side length, which is 20. So we're going to go ahead and square root all of this. So it's tricky because you have to do this whole problem and then square root it. So that might be where you're running into problems. So this is 24 times 12 times 8 times 4. That's what you get when you do all of these. Or you could just put that all in your calculator at once without the square root. So either way you do it, you're going to do 24 times 12 times 8 times 4. And that gives you, it's a big number, 9,216. And then the last thing you do is you square root that number. And it gives you very happily a nice number, 96. So you just do that on your calculator, and that's the area is 96, and it doesn't really say what, there it is, oh, inches. So that would be 96 square inches for the area, and the semiperimeter, which is a length, would just be 24 inches because it's a length. That's how you do it. All right, hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.